Hello everyone. Welcome to Indian share market and stock analysis for 18th January 2024. If you are watching our channel for first time, please subscribe to the channel Share Market C2C to get our regular updates. Let's get into the video. This is our agenda for today's discussion. So coming to Indian market open and closure data, what a fragile market, and the market get into the bearish territory. So as expected, the market opened lower, what we have said in the trade setup. So easily the 21,450 support been broken, and it opened in that level, 21,414. From there the selling pressure continued, along with the HDFC, which we told in US ADR it was trading around the 9% down. However, it was not reflected the same. It fallen down today almost to 3%. Then we see almost it ended middle of the closure around 1,490. The stock was closed. So we can expect the HDFC quarterly result being factored in now. However, we have some detailed analysis of HDFC in our upcoming news. So today weekly Nifty expiry. So there was a swing of around 250 points. We have seen a new support being formed at the range of 21,300 levels next to 21,450. So now the new support we can see around 21,285. So as long as the market not breaking the level of 21,000, as we said, it's always trying to get an opportunity to quality stocks. It should be still the range of buy on dips, not sell on rise. So this should be the long-term investors should keep in mind. So weekly and short-term traders, they will be following their technical analysis of their own. However, long-term still seems to be bullish. This type of correction is really much needed, with having a multiple supports in between the range of 21,000 to 22,000 to get ahead of next level of rally. So as we can see, some cues are in forward about the budget. If the budget is good, we can see the immediate resistance 21,800 level is the next level of resistance. So one should go long once it is crossing the level of 21,800. Till that time it is a bearish momentum only. However, when it is trading in between the range of 21,000 to 21,800, all the dips you should convert into buy on dips only. Bank Nifty, we see around the swing of 600 points today. It's usual now. The Bank Nifty is trading with 600, 700 points day to day, up and downs. And both Nifty and Bank Nifty, it's been HDFC is a major contributor for the downside. And again, the steel sector also under pressure. Today also the IT sector supported the market to prevent the further fall. So not much big movement. However, they were trading positive, and we see SBI also trading positive, and FMCG sectors been moderate, and also auto sectors. Pharma sectors did well today. So that's in overall about the Nifty open closure data. So we can see now currently the European markets are trading positive. Once the US market open, we can see some hint about tomorrow's opening. We can discuss detail in the trade setup. So that's it for consolidation. We can see some consolidation range around the range of 21,300 to 21,600 level. So as said, 21,800 should be crossed. One should go for a long. And one key thing we have to say here, all the investors, you have to keep a note that PSU sectors stocks been rallied too much in this bull run, and many of the investors may be sitting with a good percentage of returns. You should be always thinking of booking your profits whenever the profit margin is coming down, to at least to book your major profit and hold your profit shares. rather than decreasing your profits. That's how I used to do it, and that's an advice for you whenever the since the PSC stocks are rallied much. And they have given a good returns. Please don't forget to book for the profits whenever there is a down is happening, because we can see now most of the PSU stocks also coming down with 3 to 4 percentage usual when the market is down. So please don't lose your profits and try to you can get it down, get again on board whenever coming to a consolidation of PSU stocks, since it's having a good return of dividends also. If you are a long-term investor, no need to mind. However, if you are for a short-term, please focus on considering the profit booking on PSU stocks when it is coming more than 20% down from your profit level. So that's about the market open closure data analysis. We'll next go into HDFC Bank. Look forward what our advice and the experts are saying. So the experts are predicting as for a long term, the stock is founding in a very valuable attraction price. The current level, which 11% down within few days, it seems to be much attractive. So hopefully once the FII has been turned net buyers, this stock also we can see in an action. Currently the stock they are expecting can go up to the level of down 1350 per share. So when it's coming to that level, don't forget to accumulate this stock. I personally today I made some modification in my portfolio, selling some profit stocks, and I accumulated some HDFC stocks. I've been holding some major percentage of stock in my portfolio with HDFC. Today I added around 1% of more additional from my portfolio percentage, adjusting to the other profit booking. So currently the stock is found to be in attractive price. So also most of the brokerages are giving to the range of target of 1900 to 2000. That could be possible in the long term once their management operating performance been fine tuned. That is one of the key negative where the Q3 result been seen, and also the major drawback we have seen in quarter of HDFC is that the loan growth seems to be moderate. However, the deposit rate is found to be declined. So that is one of the key reason also the fall for the expectation down for the experts. So they have to focus into the deposit rate to be get increased and attractive for their customers to get into good returns in the near to medium term. So that's it about the HDFC Bank analysis. So for the short term, it's really good attractive price to accumulate. So you can consider of it for accumulating, and myself personally I'm doing that one. So that's about HDFC Bank, and we can see some other key Q3 result stocks. South Indian Bank Q3 result has been amazing, where the returns of net profit surged of 197% to the rupees 305 crores, and their net asset quality also been found healthy. They're excellent in the non-performing asset also. So currently this stock is today it moved more than 8%. I am holding this stock from the 24 rupees. Today it gone to 31 rupees. This is one of the key stock I would say for a long term, which could be turned into a multi-bagger stock. This stock is been showing good performance starting from 2022 onwards. If you go in, check in with the technical analysis, this stock coming with the quarterly and yearly with the negative results. From there it stood showing the profit levels. So this is one of the key stock I'm hereby recommending for your consideration for the long term. I myself personally have been invested some stock in this South Indian Bank, which could give you good returns in near term. My prediction for this stock could go to the level of 50 rupees in a year or so. Next to Jindal Stainless, they have posted a net profit rise of 35% to rupees 691 crores. This company also approval for the acquisition of their stake in Iber Jindal, a subsidiary company in Spain. The stock is trading at the range of 567.30. Oracle Finance today made a fantastic rally, can say around 28%. It ended with good returns. I actually booked some profit earlier at the range of 5,000, but I missed this 28% profit on this stock, which is a fantastic stock, giving a 6% dividend also. This stock currently it seems to be overvalued, but we can see further some up movement also. But for me myself, when the stock comes around the range of 4,500 to 5,000, I will look consideration for getting in again. So that's the Oracle Financial Service. Today I traded with intraday on this stock, which gave me a good return of almost 7%. That was fantastic. Today again the Polycab India Q3 results also came. Their net profit is about 15% to rupees 416 crores. Goldman Sachs given a buy call. Also they are continually giving a buy call, even though still they are waiting for the income tax raid official report. They're expecting the target of 5,750 with potential of 33% upside. Currently, the stock traded flat with 4,436. However, myself, I'm not recommending this stock. IndusInd Q3 result also came. The net profit jumps the 17% to 2,301 crores, and their asset quality also stays good. So their net performance, non-performing assets stood at 1.92%, down from 2.06%, which seems to be a bit hint. I hope for short term this stock will come down further. So coming to key stocks. SBI raises 5,000 crore issuing additional Tier 1 bond at the range of 8.34% rate. This is a very good initiation by SBI for raising a fund. Currently the stock traded positive 28.30. The investors were across mutual funds, provident and pension funds, and banks and insurance companies, said by SBI. So the Cabinet Committee of Economic Affairs approves 5,607 crores by investment by Coal India for initiating 2 thermal projects, so which will be done by Southeast Coalfields, said by 660 megawatts thermal power plant, joint venture with SECL and MPP GCL. The stock traded today 1% down. The stock ended with 375.65. I myself invested some stocks at the range of 300 rupees. I'm holding stocks for this for long term. Mahindra Holiday and Resorts India invests 800 crores to set 3 new resorts in Tamil Nadu. The stock ended flat, so the last traded price is 387.30. Ashok Leyland secures supply order of 1,225 buses for Karnataka State Transportation. Today the stock up by more than 1%. The stock closed by 173.55. ONGC aims to get $420 million loan from DBS Bank and Bank of Baroda. The last traded price of this stock is 33.45. Today the stock ended positive. We can see a good growth in ONGC in upcoming years. So the steelmaker, who is Good Luck India, they are raising 200 crore via qualified institutional buyers at the price of 940 per share with a premium of 938. So this is good deal for the big investor, qualified institutional participants. The stock is currently trading at 1,129. The stock is up by 4.4% today. Sun Pharma, they said that they are going to acquire the balance of 21.52% of Taro, which is the Israel-based pharma sector they are operating. They are taking a 100% stake on this stock. Because of this stock, the stock up by 2.83% today. Coming to some more news, Aarti Industries, today the shares went up by 5.1% because of their long-term contract with one of the multinational company to supply for the specialty chemicals, which is worth of 6,000 crores. This current market price is 612.8. This is the stock is in a good attractive price. ICICI Prudential Life Insurance, today fell by 5.43 percentage. It ended at 487 because of the disappointing Q3 results. The stock fell today. Cochin Shipyards, the stock signed by 2.11 percentage because they are opening a new dry dock and international ship repair facility in Kochi. The stock was traded at the range of 867. Balaji Amines, today the stock fell by 2.2 percentage because the company received BIS certification for the product Morphine from the Bureau of International Standards. Even after the positive news, the stock fell because of the profit booking. Railtel Corporation also, despite they are having a positive work order from the South Central Railway worth of 82 crores, their stock fell because of the profit booking. The last traded price is 361.5. Shanghai Industries, they fell 9.69 percentage, extending their third straight down. Because of their probability of signing with agreement with Ambuja, there is a fixed percentage they have to supply the product to Ambuja and ACC. That's why the stock fall today. Nazara Technologies, the shares fell around 2.5 percentage, revising the gains in the early morning because the board of directors approval preferential allotment of equity shares worth of 250 crores, which we have said in yesterday's news, where the Mr. Nikhil Kamath is the getting the shares. The LTI Mindtree today it fall more than 10.73 percentage because of the poor quarterly results. The stock fall today. NHPC, there was a offer for sale OFS been announced by the government with a stock price of 66. That's why the stock fell today at 3.5 percentage. I'm holding some stocks on this. If comes below 66, I will be accumulating some more stocks on this stock. Coming to a focus stock by DII, where one of the domestic institutional investor, Global Quality Growth, they upstakes the percentage of in the ITC, where they are believing there is a good positive growth on this stock. They increased their stake from 1.58 percentage to 2.79 percentage in the last third quarter of financial year 2023-2024. So currently the stock traded at the range of 465.50. As of the Global Quality Growth Institutional, they are holding 16,000 crores worth of stock as of now. So they are expecting the growth in a short term, 14 to 15 percentage upside in a short term. We are keenly waiting for the demerger of their hotel business. Till that time, the stock will be trading in this range between 450 to 500. That is our expectation. I'm holding a major stake in my portfolio with ITC also. Whenever it's coming down below 450 or 440, I will be accumulating these stocks. Coming to brokerage recommendation, LTI Mindtree, after falling 10%, Motilal Oswal, Sharekhan and Yes Securities, they have given the target of 6,600, 6,660, 7,585. That seems to be a recent reversal can be seen on this stock after Q4 results. Asian Paints, they say the Motilal Oswal and Sharekhan bullish, they set a target of 3,340 and 3,490. Today, after the results, the stock fell. I'm holding some stocks on Asian Paints. Tata Consumer, Motilal Oswal is bullish. They set the target of 1,350, currently trading around the range of 1,150. ICICI Lombard General, Sharekhan is bullish. They set the target of 1,740. Biocon, Sharekhan is bullish. They set the target of 332. And Federal Bank, LKP Research, they set a target of 169, currently trading in the range of 145. I am planning to invest some stocks on this when it coming below to the 140 rupees. HDFC Bank, LKP Research, they give us a target of 1,762, which we have already make a detailed analysis today. Coming to commodities and oil sector, today we see the crude being up with Brent crude at $78 and crude at 73, and we see up in the gold also. In India, the gold traded at the range of 61,650 rupees, and we see today decline in USD to INR, where the 83.12 is the trading range. Dollar index traded at the range of 103.31. Bitcoins trading flat for a few days after the ETF impact. Coming to global news, as per the Bloomberg report, they have said in India, the foreign portfolio investors increased the stake in India to around 9.9 billion in 2023 from 4.4 billion the previously. This is positive. We can see once the bond yield of US is coming down, we can see the FIIs can turn to be net buyers in India. US retail data is disappointed and expecting that Fed rate cut will be delayed. Seems to be that inflation can be raised higher. So IT companies are likely to looking for the positive based on the rate cut. So that is the key expectation. This month end we have a Fed meeting. We'll get some cues, either it is hawkish or dovish. So that's it for today. I hope this video is beneficial for you for today's analysis. If you like this video, please share to your network. Please subscribe to the channel and get our regular updates. Thank you. Stay safe, invested.